Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhikaya Tadalaye Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namaha. So this is a very short one about how to bridge the brain halves, reprogram the subconscious mind, break through patterns, and how to say, there is this connection between the subtle body and the organs, between the samskaras or the impressions in the subconscious mind, which trigger certain reactions in the body. So if this happens, there are so many techniques like EFT, for example, tapping on the points of the meridians, etc., which is all fine. And there's also quantum healing, which I have a very elaborate manual. But if I want to do a very quick fix, I have a very simple technique, and this is by crossing fingers. Okay, so I hope you can see this. So this is the index finger crossing over, no, actually it's the middle finger crossing over the index finger, and you do that on both hands. So here the index finger of the right hand is crossing to the outside. Actually the middle finger is crossing over the index finger. Okay, and then you turn it around and you cross the index finger over the ring finger, and you do this opposite on the other side. Okay, so for example, when the middle finger is crossing over the ring finger to the outside, it's going to the right side like this. Okay, it's going like this, it's on the right side. So you do the same thing on the other side. Okay, the ring finger is crossing over, the middle finger is crossing over the ring finger. And when you do the other thing is like this. So here the middle finger is going over the index finger. And you do this simultaneously on both sides. And you combine it with a mantra or an affirmation. And actually that's how I do it. Usually I lie down, but that's the beauty of this technique. It's very easy. You can do it anywhere without anyone really noticing. You can do it in your pocket even. And so you combine it with a breathing and an affirmation or a mantra. So breathe in, repeat in your mind, Tate. Breathe out, forgive. Breathe in, self-love. Breathe out, on peace. And you do this sequence 4 times while you hold the one position on both hands, and then you repeat the same thing for the other side. So you change the fingers on both hands, and you again to do this sequence of Tate, breathe in, forgive, breathe out, self-love, breathe in, on peace, breathe out. So you do this 4 times. So it's actually 2 breath cycles times 4 means 8 breath cycles. And then switch the side, and you repeat this a few times. And this is like a general affirmation or mantra combination, which I have already some videos explaining. And well, yeah, that's the basic technique. This was a very spontaneous video, not prepared at all. I hope you can still appreciate it. If you have any questions, you're most welcome. Please also check the links in the description. And if you like it, click the like. And for the benefit of all, share this with the people in need. May the OM-Love be with you. Jai Shri Radhe Shyam.